Hi guys, it's Ryan from Hills. I'm on Heath Green in Salford M6 to show you this new listing we've got coming up. It is a modern 2-bedroom terrace property. It's got a driveway to the front. Let's take a look inside. So as we head inside, we go into an entrance hallway which provides access to a downstairs toilet just through here. Straight across, we have this lovely contemporary fitted kitchen, and then we head on through to a large lounge diner which provides access to the garden at the rear. It's a nice low maintenance space with decking, stones. Property is within easy access to transport links throughout Manchester, including through Salford Quays, Media City and Manchester City Centre as well. It'd make a great first time home or investment. As we head upstairs, towards the rear of the property we've got the second of the 2 bedrooms, which as you can see is still a large double. Then we've got a stylish 3-piece bathroom. And then at the front, we've got the large main bedroom. Get in touch to secure your viewing today.